This was humanity's first discovery of life on Mars. As scientists attempted to interact with it by hand, the bizarre creature suddenly developed 2 tentacles. Witnessing this extraterrestrial life form, they rushed to send the news back to Earth, where people were thrilled by the discovery. They named the creature Calvin. After 52 days of cultivation aboard the space station, scientists made a startling discovery. Calvin's growth rate was extraordinarily rapid. Even more unsettling was the fact that each of Calvin's cells possessed all bodily functions simultaneously. Every cell was essentially covered in muscle tissue and equipped with its own brain and eyes. This revelation filled the scientists with dread. Then disaster struck. During an electrical stimulation experiment intended to wake the dormant alien, it suddenly grabbed the scientist's hand with incredible strength. No matter how hard the panicked scientist tried, he couldn't break free. His teammates watched anxiously as one tried to lure Calvin away using an electric prod. Instead, the creature attacked again, this time ripping off the scientist's fingers. Although a team member wanted to rush in to help, the captain blocked him, citing the risk of contamination. While the team argued outside the chamber, Calvin unexpectedly released its grip. When the scientist finally withdrew his hand, it was clearly shattered. The creature then snapped the electric prod in half, demonstrating that humans had likely underestimated its intelligence. It had cleverly used the prod to pierce the protective glove. Everyone present was stunned. Calvin then leaped toward a lab mouse. After brief contact, it wrapped tightly around the rodent. The creature appeared to possess powerful corrosive properties. Within seconds, the mouse had completely dissolved. Seeing this, a team member rushed in to save his colleague, throwing the injured scientist out of the chamber. While the others successfully pulled him to safety, the alien monster sensed something was wrong. Before the rescuer could react, the creature had wrapped itself around his leg. To prevent Calvin's escape, the team had no choice but to seal the lab door. Having absorbed energy from the mouse, the alien creature grew even larger. The trapped crew member attacked it with the electric prod, but this seemed ineffective. He then pulled out a flamethrower, causing the monster to scramble around, but its resilience was extraordinary. Nothing seemed to harm it. Soon the flamethrower ran out of fuel, and the creature vanished from sight. Suddenly, Calvin leaped onto his face and forced its way into his mouth, completely entering his body. Shortly after, only a floating corpse remained in the lab chamber. The team outside watched in horror, unable to believe what they'd witnessed. At that moment, the flamethrower triggered the fire suppression system, and the highly intelligent creature seized the opportunity to escape. No one knew where it went. The monster could be lurking anywhere on the space station.